I am Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind
Behind
the
the Drywall.
Drywall. Today we're at a final walkthrough that we're going to share with you of a project that we've been working on for several months. There's a lot of previous videos on our YouTube page if you want to see how this all evolved. But we're going to take you walk around the house so you can see this guest house that we've been working on for a few months now. And they're moving in soon, so we're doing touch-ups.
Bunch of final little touch-ups on the paint mainly. All the other stuff is done. So really it's just a paint touch-up and then a deep cleaning, and they're in.
Love it. All right, let's take a tour.
Let's go on inside.
And we're on the back porch right now. We're totally digging these colors. Very coastal, away from everything else.
So come on in.
So we've got, paint touch-ups.
A lot of paint touch-ups. Well, not a lot, but just minor paint touch-ups. But probably since the last time we had a video, we've now done the countertops, the appliances, lighting, all kinds of stuff has gone on. Painting.
Yeah.
So we're at the final stage. If we come over here to the kitchen, you can see where the kitchen is ready to go.
Okay. I have to, this is one of my most favorite features about this house, and it's actually, Mike can explain it better, but it's a code thing.
It is code. So
this is cool.
So we have an island, and the code is you have to have a plug on the island, right? So, but it can't go on the side. So you have a pop-up plug, and this one will have a plug, USB-C, USB connections, but then also you can charge your phone by laying it right on top. That's kind of a cool feature.
Can we have one of those?
No, we're last on we're bottom of the list.
Please. So this is great because it's a one bedroom, one bathroom, but you've got a really good sized kitchen. Our client enjoys cooking, just, kind of like a home away from home. So she can be with family that's in the main house. So you can see it's a really big kitchen. I mean, pretty much everything you need.
Yeah, everything's in place.
Yeah, you've got your awesome rollout trash bin. So the cabinets are fantastic. They were by 44 Woodworx. You guys rocking these cabinets, and it's a beautiful color.
It's real nice.
She did some great accents with some brushed gold here. Everything just came together. And love the quartz tops. So, it can take all kinds of...
It's very durable.
It's durable.
Very durable, very tough, resistant to staining. It's antimicrobial, I think is the word.
Yeah.
So it's just a great product and basically low maintenance over the lifetime. And that's the key.
Low maintenance.
We also have all the lighting is LED. The house has spray foam, so it's very efficient.
And all of these lighting fixtures, this was all our client. It's very much of her personality. So these were things that she actually found, loved, and so we put those in for her. And then this is just a great, nice living space. I mean, we've got the lights on, but there is so much natural light in here.
And even if I turn this light off, you can see it's just very, very nice.
It's awesome. And brand new windows, all Andersen Windows, fabulous. And then we've got this floor. So this is a wood floor, and it's just really, really nice the way it came together. Installed beautifully.
So then here we go. This is actually going to be her little kind of desk area, mini office over here. But then we come into the bedroom.
And it's a wonderful sized bedroom.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's got everything she needs.
This was one of her finds. So this is actually a fan and a light at the same time. And it's really fun. And it's very much, her personality.
It's her personality, that's for sure.
Beautiful.
Nice sized closet. And then the bathroom, again, what's neat about this bathroom is that the floor, and the same in the laundry room, is a vinyl tile.
Yeah.
So it looks like tile, but it's vinyl, so it's waterproof, and it's very soft on the feet.
And excuse the dust because we've got a make-ready crew coming in after everything is done
Couple
this
days.
week. Then they come in and then they're going to do a make-ready, clean the whole thing like dust-free. It's going to be beautiful, perfect right before move-in.
Yep.
Which is about to happen. So a lot of this is what she wanted to make sure was in because this is an ADU style, so it's universal design. You got a towel bar, but there's a grab bar. All of this has, you put blocking all back here. So you can put some weight on there and get
Not
into
worried.
the shower. There's about to be another grab bar. You can see
where the tape is. We'll go from that to there. So you have a nice grab bar in the shower.
Yeah.
Plenty of light. Very efficient. So,
Yeah, elongated toilet. And there's all of this here is just the doors are wide.
3-foot wide doors.
Everything is very purposeful.
Yeah, yeah.
So, and then real quick, because I love the front door.
Oh, yeah,
fun.
it's fun. Here, this way.
Let's see. We're so excited.
She's very excited.
Yeah, move-in day.
Yeah, that's very cool.
That's exciting. So this is just a fun door. And then the accent colors, and when you see it, and we'll do a little video B-roll in where you can see this door with the rest of the front of the house. It just came together.
It's very nice, very comfortable.
So thanks for watching all these episodes and watching the evolution of this house.
Well,
It's been a journey.
The clients are wonderful. They can't wait to get in here.
Yeah.
But they've been a delight to work with.
Yeah,
Just absolutely wonderful.
Absolute delight. So if you like what you saw, then please share with your friends, your family, your neighbors, and maybe we'll build one of these things for you as well.
Thanks.
Right? See you later.